It is absolutely insane in my area right now. I'm not gonna tell you where it is for obvious reasons, but Jesus Christ! There's like moving smoke clouds going on over there. The neighbor's fence literally fall over. Like, there's even birds trying to fight off the wind. There's rain. 70 miles per hour. Winds up to 70 miles per hour. It's insane. Bro, the wind is actually insane. It's blowing everything and stuff. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Yo, there's a bag. Whose bag is that? What is that? What the hell is going on? What is that? Lottery ticket or what? Lottery ticket? It's going on pretty quickly, but the nearest fences fell over, and it's crazy. I just saw the wind. This is so crazy, and the lights just flickered for a second. Whoa. So yeah, I got like a severe thunderstorm warning for my area. Whoa, this is crazy. That's some tornado looking stuff right now. I mean, there's no tornado warnings for my area, but jeez. Whoa, that's crazy. Holy. Ooh, I just heard thunder. We're going outside. Let's go. Woo! Take us to the NATO. Jesus Christ, Mary and Joseph. Look, his RIP to Bro's fence. Jesus Christ, we're taking the most of it. Woo! Yeah. Oh, I heard. Whoa! Take shelter immediately. That's not good. Dirty napkin. Woo! 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 Jesus Christ, Mary and Joseph, what is going on? What's that noise? There was like a noise. Take shelter immediately! Severe thunderstorm warning! Yo, bro, I gotta like alert the neighbors too, you know. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, this is like being in a hurricane. Is that Amazon package? Oh! Oh my God! Whoa! Bro, I'm getting blown back, bro. Holy. Jeez! Jesus Christ! No! No! I just got hit by the impact. This is like being in a freaking tornado or hurricane. Woo. Oh! Bro, yo, stay safe, guys. Yo, it's lightning. 3, 2, 1, go, lightning. It's actually. What's that? Yo! Coca-Cola box. Yo! Take shelter! Okay, I'm done. Take shelter immediately! 70 mile per hour winds! What is going on? Miss Flanderbottom, there's a severe thunderstorm warning. The winds are extremely high. Yeah, but you should not be outside during this thunderstorm. Miss Flanderbottom, stop. Oh, I warned you. You need to get inside right now. Miss Thunderstorm, no. I hope you get something. I hope you get blown away by the wind. What is Nedry gonna do if I weren't here? If I got blown into the wind? I don't know. But true, always kind of rude to everyone. Yeah, I want pizza now. Billy, you always eat pizza. Oh my God. Oh my God. No! Jesus Christ. Oh, lightning. 3, 2, 1, go lightning. This is like tornado status right now. Oh, he got his trash can or whatever it is knocked out. Jesus. Oh my God, there's lightning right there. 3, 2, 1, go lightning. Bro, I have footage of this. His USA flag just got knocked out from his wall. Holy crap. Jesus Christ. Bro, the bird's trying to fight off the storm.
They're fighting over
Tornado? I see the tornado.
There is no tornado. Oh my God. I mean, there's no tornado warnings, but still. Okay, there's rain. Whoa. Stay safe, everybody. I gotta go. Peace out, guys. Woo. RIP his pillows. They will be blown out and blown away. Jesus Christ. I mean, I have my Minecraft villager sticker here, but bro, that looks like a fireball, wind ball, cloud ball, you know. Okay. Oh. Oh. Whoa. This is footage right here, guys. Stay safe. Jesus Christ, bro. The lightning is, the rain is so crazy. Jesus. The winds are extreme. Jesus, look at them. Look at all of the rain particles reflecting like off the roof shingles. His neighbor's house. Jeez. Bro, the wind is hard on the second floor. Bro, bro, this is crazy. And according to my dad, he says that there was like circulation, like because we're watching the news downstairs. Jeez. Damn it. Oh. What's that? Joe, do you see the rain winds and stuff? Bro, look at the neighbor's trash. Oh.